Is she pulling out her hair there? Is that what that's?
I don't know. I was wondering that too. If that is there. Maybe, I don't know. I've seen little pieces like that around here.
Or it looks like, I don't know, it's fuzz or something.
Mm-hmm. Well, I'm just really close to that bird. I was thinking of tilting the bowl thing this way a little bit. That'd still be on there, but that might be a little easier to see them.
That's what I like to see, when the birds sit like that and like they're comfortable and they just sit there and eat.
Mm-hmm.
It's very hard to see birds that are comfortable. They're always scared.
Miss Hayton, you are a doodle. What was that in Driving Miss Daisy? That's what her son kept calling. Oh, you're a doodle or something like that. Well, you just stand there, not notice it. Like he knows he's all right. You can see where they have pecked holes in that cake.